I don't know how you guys feel about action camera guys, but to me, I think they are perfect for a lot of reasons. Okay, they are extremely portable. You don't need to know a whole lot about camera to start using an action camera. They are extremely user friendly. For the past decade, the action camera market has been expanding. We do have a lot of companies these days making these form factors, this kind of action camera. You got DJI, and GoPro is well known as the pioneer of the action camera market. But in recent years, GoPro been dealing with a lot of issues. But this year, GoPro is back with the Mission lineup. Okay, the Mission Pro, you got the Mission ILS, and you got the regular Mission. So they are truly back with three new cameras. So starting this week, the Mission Pro is finally shipping to customers. And today I have the Mission One Pro with me. Okay. So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tech Talk. Before I get started, you guys know I always like to spend some time to say thanks to all of you for supporting the channel. I'm talking about my subscribers. I'm talking about new viewers on the channel. And if you are new, this is your first time, I want to personally welcome you on the channel, guys. I share personal opinions on the latest tech, gaming, XR devices, smart glasses, those kind of thing, camera, and more. In this video today, I want to share a few things here about the Mission One Pro coming from GoPro. So before we get to it, guys, let me give you a quick look at what's in the box, a quick unboxing for you. The first thing is the packaging is great here, beautiful. It is simple, clean, premium, without being oversized. Once you open the box, everything is protected inside an additional layer of packaging. Once you pull that package out, what you get your quick manuals, you get your quick start guide, you got all the paperwork on top. And underneath all that paperwork that you get from GoPro, you get the Mission One Pro camera itself. You get some mounting adapter, you get the USB-C to charge the battery, and you also get your battery with you. Nothing super flashy here, very simple, very organized, well packaging like you should expect. Now, let me share with you my initial impression, my initial take about this device. The first thing for me here, guys, this camera, it is simple, it is simplicity to the fullest. With the Mission One Pro, just like any normal action camera, you don't feel overwhelmed with too many buttons, okay, like you do with a DSLR camera. Whether you recording family moments, you creating YouTube videos, you traveling or capturing the outdoor, all type of adventures, the Mission One Pro feels like a camera that belongs to your bags. Okay, very simple to carry. The second thing to me is that multi-capability that the camera provides. The Mission One Pro is great at taking pictures, also for videos. So it sits between an action camera and a creator camera. It feels like GoPro is trying to attract content creator who want something compact, but still want a device that can give him more control to create better videos or taking better pictures. So my third thing here, guys, is something that you should know, is that this camera is not your normal small action camera. It's really on the bigger size, but not extremely big. It is premium. It is a solid camera that will give you a peace of mind for your investment. Not something you should worry about if you drop. Very well built. My next impression is that this GoPro, despite being bigger with a new form factor that aim at a different target market, it is still a GoPro, which means the ecosystem here is extremely large for this camera. So to customize this thing, you're gonna have so many options, so many other accessories you can buy, and you can find some really cheap one on Amazon to really mount the camera. Amazon has a ton of accessories, and some of the old GoPro accessory do work with this with the Mission One Pro. The last thing for me, guys, is probably the most important thing about this video is the value proposition here. To me, this camera is an absolute beast for video, photo, for YouTube, or any content creators. So this device should belong in your tool bag, and I can honestly say the device is worth every penny that you spend on it for what it brings to your content creation, especially if you're a YouTuber, you're creating content on a weekly basis, you like to go outdoor and those kind of things. These are my initial impression about the device so far, guys, and I'll be spending a lot more time with the device, and I'll plan to make another video at some point in the future. So I'm very impressed with the camera, and as someone who's not a professional in action camera, I appreciate what GoPro managed to do with this device. Very small, but the picture quality, the video quality here is great for creators. So let me know in the comments below, guys, how you feel about the GoPro Mission One. Okay, and are you a DJI fan when it comes to action camera? And if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future video coming from this channel. Like I always say, guys, watch out for yourself, take care of yourself, and I'll see you very soon for my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if this was your first time on the channel, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.